So talking about Kayali, now they either restocked or re-released Musk 12. This is a fragrance that dropped quite a few years ago. I have a boxed bottle right here. I've never experienced this. I've never experienced Musk 12. We're gonna do it together. Now, per usual, guys, if you like fragrance discounts, deals, fragrances on the low, do check out Joma Shop, Perfume Online, and Fragrance Buy. I listed those discounters in my description. They're at the top of the description. They're gonna give you the best bang for your buck, the best money saved. Go check them out. They ship to Canada, US, and beyond. I'm gonna crack into this. I'm sure you guys obviously know about Kayali. You ladies out there, I just skipped ahead because taking off that plastic wrap was getting too loud for the mic, but here's the fragrance right here. Nice see-through bottle. Can you even see? There you go. They list lotus flower, jasmine, musks, vanilla, and sandalwood. Let's do that. Very powerful sprayer. Oh, wow. Okay. Kind of supple, full-bodied, sweet floral. That's probably the best thing. With a nice, again, yeah, it's a creamy, musky sandalwood. So this is not a fragrance that's very powdery, super vanilla dominant. But I also don't think this is something you need to layer. I don't think this is a must. I think you can wear it on your own. I don't think it's weak. It's actually quite strong off my skin and in the air right now. But this fragrance is kind of subtle. It's unassuming. It's not going to get you any negative reactions. I think it would be very hard to overspray this. Okay, overall thoughts. Smelling it on a woman, I would think it smells good. For a few reasons. First, it just smells good, period. Second, it has good performance, like I could actually smell it. Third, I don't think it's an annoying scent profile, a scent profile that maybe more snobs or niche heads would like. I think it's approachable. And I think you can wear this however you'd like. It doesn't matter how early in the morning, how late in the night. You can dress this up, you can dress this down. You could wear this in a club, in a bar. You could also wear this at an indoor dinner event, or maybe a lecture hall, or maybe, I don't know, a library or a study room or campus, or even in high school if you really wanted to. This is one of those perfect kind of daily drivers. Wear it however you'd like. But the vanilla, sandalwood, creamy quality that Kayali always brings can definitely be dressed up. So you can dress this up. So on my skin, it's hard to comment on the longevity. I literally just sprayed it for the first time. I'm hoping you can get 6 hours with this. Typically Kayali, with the fixatives and the dry downs, especially their signature DNA vanilla formulas, you can easily get 8 hours plus. So I'm really thinking I will get 6 at least. I don't want to overpromise here, but you should be able to. And if you want to absolutely get like 12 plus hours, you just spray on your clothes and you're good to go. So compliment factor, we covered as well. Like I said, I would give a woman a compliment. This smells really good. How to wear, we covered however you'd like. Scent profile, we've covered. This is great. I really like this one. Let me know your thoughts on Musk 12, guys. Per usual, fragrance discounts in general are listed down below in my description. Top 3 links: Fragrance Buy, Joma Shop, Perfume Online, our fragrances on the low. Go check this one out though. You can probably pop by any major department store, Sephora, probably any major department store, I guess. But anyways, not bad. I do like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.